A seismic political tremor has hit Zimbabwe as the Zambezia Economic Movement chairman Divine Mafa publicly demanded Vice President Kosano Chiwenga's resignation through a scathing open letter. This bold move has ignited a fierce debate across the nation, sparking intense speculation about the underlying power struggles within the ruling ZANU-PF party and the country's constitutional trajectory. Dizarabina Mashkobdanyo Kapangwana Chizu refused to be the president, later demanding General Chiwenga's resignation out and what it really means for ZANU-PF's future. Double subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina Mobdanyo Commissionzi. The letter that shocked the Presidium. The strongly worded letter by Divine Mafa has ignited a political storm, particularly concerning the unresolved succession question and the proposed constitutional amendment. In the letter released on Monday, Mafa accused Vice President Kosano Chiwenga of being the central force behind ongoing constitutional maneuvers allegedly aimed at extending President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028. The time for subtlety is over, Mafa wrote, with a bluntness that has become rare in Zimbabwean political discourse. Your continued tenure is treason and is turning Zimbabwe into a barracks. Mafa's argument is that Chiwenga's continued presence in government has fueled fears of a military-backed succession struggle within ZANU-PF. The struggle, according to Mafa, provides the very justification that Mnangagwa's loyalists needed to push for the Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, which critics believe is a vehicle for the president to secure a third term or extend his current one. According to the letter, Chiwenga allegedly declined to assume the presidency during the 2017 military intervention due to the pressure from the regional leaders, opting instead to become the vice president with the expectation of eventually succeeding Mnangagwa. However, Mafa claims the political landscape has since shifted dramatically. You entered government expecting succession. Mnangagwa entered government planning permanence. The letter reads. This single sentence encapsulates the perceived betrayal at the heart of the ZANU-PF leadership. Mafa further alleged that the president has consolidated power through loyalists instead and party structures, leaving Chiwenga politically isolated and without a viable strategy. The people of Zimbabwe deserve a clear message. You will not seek the presidency. Resign and remove the rationale for capture, Mafa urged. The letter quickly generated heated reactions, with some seeing it as a bold challenge to military influence in politics, while others dismissed it as a political grandstanding. Toma developments are pangwa in a comment section made more deep on this later. Comment section made subscribe or like, on the bell icon.